2, 3. Play with me. Right hand paper. Left hand scissors.
Hi, Toby.
Oh, hi, Caitie.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Sing Along with
Tobee.
What are you up to, Toby?
Oh, I'm just singing that song that you taught me called Rock, Scissors, Paper.
Oh, yeah, that's a great song.
I know. I just wish I could think of more things I could make with my hands.
Oh, well, I can help. Why don't we sing Rock, Scissors, Paper again, and I'll come up with some new ideas.
Cool.
I'll teach you the song and show you how to move your hands. Follow along. Here we go.
Hit it, Caitie.
Rock, scissors, paper, rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3, play with me. Right hand, rock. Left hand, paper. It's a helicopter. Rock, scissors, paper, rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3, play with me. Right hand, rock. Left hand, rock. It's Pinocchio. Rock, scissors, paper, rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3, play with me. Right hand, scissors. Left hand, paper. It's a seesaw. Rock, scissors, paper, rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3, play with me. Right hand, scissors. Left hand, rock. It's an ice cream cone. Wow, you're all so great at making things with your hands.
Thanks, Caitie.
Oh, I know another one we can do. Guess what this is?
Oh.
Right hand, rock. Left hand, rock.
Oh, I know. You're a panda. No. Wait. Eyeglasses, right?
You can guess too. Binoculars!
Oh!
I see you.
I see you too. I can't wait to show Mom and Dad all the new things we made.
They're gonna love it. Well, that's our show for today. We'll see you next time.
Oh, wait. I know one more thing we can make with our hands.
Oh.
Okay? Right hand paper, left hand paper. Guess. Come on.
I'd like to guess what it is, but I have no idea.
2 hands waving goodbye.
Oh. Bye-bye. We'll see you next time on Sing Along with Toby.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye-bye, butterfly.
Come on, Toby.
Catch you later.